Okay, we got something new here. This is all, there's the elevator right there. This overlooks Central Park. And we have this whole little thing right here. Dang, that looks kind of cool. It's really cool. It's a beautiful park. Actually, not even the highlight. I'm going to be highlighting this right over there. So anyways, we'll come back and I'll explain it all. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Yeah, this is on Guimarães Avenue, I think it's Avenue, the Guimarães. Sign over there. But yeah, this is overlooking Taipa Central Park. You got some cool stuff in here. There's a swimming pool. If I was up a little higher, we could see that, but it's turned off at night anyways. But this is actually the highlight, which is this new little walkway that's in Taipa right now, and it's kind of cool. This is the it just opened up maybe a week ago, as of this date. Oh, that's kind of cool too. See that red building over there? That's actually on Zhuhai, China. So this street actually goes right into that. So when that was built, maybe it was created so that it had that intention, possibly. That's kind of interesting. Yeah, that's kind of cool. So yeah, so now this is built. It goes to the, it follows this whole street and it goes down basically the width of Taipa. So it goes all the way down to, there's like a little circle down that at the end if you're down here. And also this is all new too. They kind of redid this whole median with a 4-lane highway kind of thing. Looks really nice. So it's kind of go in here a little bit, and then if you go all the way down, it goes to the station. So there's a light rail train station all the way down to the end. So we're gonna walk down that way. I don't really see that many people, so I don't know if it's worth going down that way. But you can see the inside. I might not do that. I'm kind of more tempted to go out, back out again. But if you go all the way down, it goes to the train station. Let's go down this way. So we're gonna head on down this way. And there is a stairwell there. So let's go down and then we can take a look from the sides. There was quite a few people here. I think a station maybe came through. So we're just gonna go down into the park area. And you can see it from the bottom. There we go. So you can see it from here. It's a little Taipa area. So this is all Taipa, kind of Taipa proper, Taipa downtown. That looks nice. Take the escalator up. There's also some elevators as well. And then now you can see, overlook this park. So we won't film too much, but we'll just maybe walk towards the park a little bit. People can run here, of course. So he's running. People are running in the inside too. And it's a little bit of the park. You have to come in through a certain way because of the COVID situation. And this is called Taipa Park, Taipa Central Park. There's a library right there. Closed. It's about 10:30 at night, almost 11 o'clock. Anyways, another little slice of Macau. And that's kind of our focus. Let's just kind of walk a little bit just so you can get some idea of what's around here. Got a little bit of time anyways. Now these sidewalks are a lot more wider, so I think that it wasn't quite this wide before, but now they come all the way out to here. Yeah, it looks real nice. Giant McDonald's right over there. Lots of tall buildings everywhere. And I think we're just gonna end it right in this space. So yeah, here you go, kind of interesting. We're in Taipa, and we're gonna end this video right there. The new walkway in Taipa.